Today is kimchi learning day.
That looks healthy. No, I lost one!
Don't touch me, I'm sterile.
We're going on a kimchi adventure. We found the napa cabbage. This big boy right here. Now Angela is going to administer the procedure and get the napa cabbage. We're going in. Giving you a very clinical view of this cabbage. Shush now.
I'm your mama now. Away with you, child. No one wants you.
Shedding a tear. Get in there.
The baby.
Uh-huh.
Put its hands in it. Sure it's secure.
Mm-hmm.
And then run off with it.
Quick, baby, it's the fuzz.
Let's go.
Noisy baby animals made with real baby animals. Chipotle. But what happened, Baba?
I don't know. I don't know what happened. It was just like, whoa. Like the location was like a few hours away from us.
She put the location in the wrong place, and Carl helped her out by saying, we got you a refund, and we replaced...
My free guac, my free birthday guac.
Free birthday guac is back in the cart. My Baba says, thank you so much, Carl. I will not starve today.
I've been starving the last few days. I don't eat anything.
Carl, if you're out there watching this video, you're the GOAT, man. Make sure, we gotta rate him. Gotta rate him, right? Like, how satisfied?
3.
3! Thank you, Carl.
Thank you, Carl. I will not starve today.
Let's start. The apple seeds are dead, I'm pretty sure. We're not seeing any condensation on the side of the bag anymore. It could be a temperature thing. Please let us know what these little critters need, even though they're not critters. The sun doesn't shine directly through this window, so it's legitimately impossible for them to get direct sunlight. So let us know what solutions are out there. We're thinking about getting a grow light and some other thingies to kind of help these little suckers sprout. Giuseppe is still a beautiful specimen. Hoof-hearted is freshly watered. We need to clean the sides because it's getting a little crusty dusty, but pay no mind because look it, he's filled with love. Tomorrow we will do our avocado adventure and start growing an avocado seed and transplant it into a tree one day. Little Junior here, gochugaru. His parents came by and visited him because he's got a big day tomorrow in the avocado. They're dropping him off at college and they're saying, all right, are you ready? You got all your bags? Yes, Mom, stop pestering me. Did you make sure to wash behind the ear? Dad, I told you, Dad, don't embarrass me. If you want one, go in the comments. There should be a link. If not, I'm sorry. But yeah, there should be a link. Today we're gonna make some kimchi?
Yes.
Kimchi.
Today is kimchi learning day.
Kimchi learning day. Because we're experts.
No.
My Baba watched a YouTube video.
I've watched many YouTubes of this human, and I think she's amazing. And she has an awesome recipe. Her name is Gaming Foodie, and she has like the entire what is it called? Recipe on here. So we're gonna try to follow it, and we're gonna try to make it, and we're just gonna eat it. It's gonna be so good.
Yeah.
We've got.
Thank you, Gaming Foodie.
Oh yeah, thank you, Gaming Foodie. You're hilarious.
I don't know if I can do that.
If you don't like and subscribe to this video, I might just crawl in your ear while you sleep.
So what do we got? What do we need? Boom! Napa cabbage! What the heck is this?
This is fish sauce. And then we have the
stuff?
gochugaru.
Salt.
And then we got some apple juice.
I don't know what that's for. I think we're just gonna get thirsty and drink it.
Yeah, I think this is a paste thing. And then
Garlic. And
we got
green onions, but they're also called scallions.
all acquired at Meijer.
Thank you, Meyer.
Wow, I need carrots.
Oh yeah, by the way, We're gonna make some salmon too. That's a bonus in this video. Basically what I'm gonna do is put my hand right here. I've got the knife right here.
Slice right here where the knuckles are.
Yep, right across the bone. Just kidding, don't ever do that. Unless you're a professional magician. Yeah! You're supposed to cut it evenly. But since I'm not a pro and this is our first time, it's not even. We're gonna go, and then I'll do this side, and then Angela, if you wouldn't mind doing the other one. My love just made sure to cut the butt because this napa cabbage be too thick.
She said, cut it. I wonder if we're supposed to discard these.
Let us know in the comments if we're supposed to discard those, but for now, we're just gonna eat them. Make it make sense, YouTube.
If not, just go to our video.
Yeah, just go to Gaming Foodie's video if you want like a more in-depth one. But right now, you're just getting it all right. We're doing it live.
You're gonna scare the kimchi baby.
I'm sorry, I didn't. Oh God, they're trembling.
Let's see. That's satisfying.
You look like a pro. Just cutting them a few inches apart, putting them into that big old bowl. Oops, frog in my throat. I think we're gonna need a bigger bowl. We are gonna go wash this puppy. So we're gonna take it to the Napa Cabot washing facility that we have right here in our kitchen called the sink. Practice for when we're giving the kids baths.
It's gonna be like all of our salt.
We might just have a heart attack. That looks healthy. Are you sure it was 1 cup?
Half a cup. This is half a cup.
That's half a cup?
Yeah, it's something.
That does not look like half a cup.
Another one.
We used all of our salt. I don't know about this. Next step is 1 cup of water, but since we split it, we're gonna have to try to do like a half and half situation. Tell me when. We gotta let these Cabbage Patch Kids sit a little bit for about 30 minutes, I think. 30 minutes later, we should notice a difference of the cabbage. Should start to shrink. And now we will be wrapping el salmon in foil. Slathering and lathering. Some olive oil. Yummy, yummy. How do I do this? Like chicka, chicka, chicka?
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, that's 1 zesty lemon. Careful. No! Dress it with a little bit of black pepper and the excess onion. And we're making some incisions here so that way it cooks through. How long are we gonna pop this in the oven for again? For 10 minutes.
Then you close it.
Then you close her on up. And we've got that going at about 400 degrees for, I think, 10 to 15 minutes. Now we're gonna make the paste.
Yep, we looked it up on the dudes. And, should be good. 3 of those 1/4.
Wow!
Wow.
Ken's with the toy.
Water in the oven, 3/4 cup. All right, so hot water going in here. Don't disregard that this is plastic. The hot water definitely is gonna have some microplastics in there. Oh, we might actually have enough.
And then you throw this away because we don't drink it. I'm kidding.
Then you whisk the pot like strawberry wine. Get in there nice and deep like. Oh. Just a taste.
Hey, what are you trying to do, huh?
Just
What's with my kimchi paste?
Oh, careful with your teethers. Step 1. Firmly grasp it in your hand. Step 2. You rip it. Let it rip like a Beyblade. Ha! You eat the plastic.
No. Spit it out.
Step 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. You open it. Oh, it smells like donkey dookie.
Oh, that smells like donkey dookie. 6 tablespoons.
I think I stink. It says sugar, but we're gonna be using brown sugar. What happened?
It says teaspoon.
Is that a half a table?
I don't know. I put 1 teaspoon. I put 1 so far. What?
It's gonna be real sweet.
No. It needs to be a tablespoon because this is a teaspoon.
Oh. How many teaspoons
Thank you for telling
equal
me.
a table? You're welcome. How many teaspoons equal a tablespoon?
I don't know. Oh, I'm gonna put honey on it.
Pour some honey. Oh my stars and garters. That's a good salmon.
Shout out to my mama. We bought this at Michael's, I think. It saves you a buttload of time.
Oh. Firmly grasp it. Holy cow, that thing is nice. And you put the minced garlic inside of this paste.
Don't be shy now, Harry. Pick up your wand.
Oh, here we go.
Can't help but notice you haven't liked or subscribed yet. I'm gonna poop out so many eggs in your brain. Ooh.
Enough horsing around. What are we gonna do with these carrots? Yeah, we're gonna julienne them. Basically, you cut them in half like that, flat side down.
This might be wrong, but yeah.
Yeah, something like that. No. This is Gordon Ramsay approved, Michelin star, all that jazz.
I'm a big fan if he's watching.
Yeah, we watched The Bear on Hulu or whatever, so we're pretty much experts. Close enough, right? Yeah.
Esto es parselton. Lo que haces es que no lo cortes en medio, lo cortas un lado de la zanahoria, ¿verdad? Chun, poquito, y luego lo pones así, como así, y la parte que cortas así.
Chun.
Y luego le haces chup, tup, 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 y luego lo pones al lado y luego cortas esos pedazos en chiquitos pedazos hasta que... Yeah, and that's how you do it.
That's how you done it. I'm gonna make myself useful while she's julienning these carrots. I'm gonna take this cabbage and I'm gonna rinse it under some cold water about 3 times approximately. And then I'm gonna give it a nice little bath, put a little bit of Dove soap in there. Ooh. I gotta grab it like, and then I gotta squeeze it, and make sure that there's no excess water in there. Did I get that right? Yarb. Okay, here we go. Holy cow, they're like sponges. Forgive me, Lord, for they know not what they do. This is your brain. And this is your brain on drugs. See that, kids? Stay in school. Ooh, did you hear that squelch? No, I lost one! Are you okay? Put the cup of carrots in the basket.
Now we're moving on to our scallions.
Cut them wide. Look at all that lasagna.
Snap. Don't touch me, I'm sterile. So we gotta let this in for a couple hours.
Does it need to be contained or anything, or just sit like that?
I think we're gonna put it in un topesh.
Excuse me, Tooper.
You wanna taste it though?
Got your finger! Are you okay?
It hurt.
I'm so sorry. This kimchi is really good though.
I'm sure not my finger you're tasting.
In apology, you can have my other piece of kimchi. Oh, my finger! Just kidding.
Take me out to the land.
This reminds me of when I used to make kimchi with my dad and he would sing "Take Me Out to the Ball Game."
Buy me some pickles and applesauce.
Yep, good times.
I don't care if I ever get lost and it's toot, toot, toot.
Put this in there too.
Oh, I like my gloves.
I didn't touch it. Wait, I don't know if that's your finger or not.
Just take it first with your lips.
We're gonna save the rest inside this tupper. Let it sit out for a few hours to ferment a little bit. If you're trying this at home with your significant other, partner, friends, family, all of that.
cat.
Dog, cat, grandmother, whoever's out there. I don't know, you should lick that.
What?
Oh.
Oh, you want some?
No, I'm okay. Yeah, if you're out there with whoever you're making this with, don't bite their finger first off. 2, go, if you want the actual recipe, like, like high grade instructions, this is why you don't lick it. Go to Gaming Foodie on YouTube, watch the legit tutorial on this. We're just kind of goofing around, but thank you, Gaming Foodie.
I love your videos. I'm gonna try to make more of your food. I'm a fan.
Yeah, thank you. We had fun doing this. And if you're new here, subscribe, like the video, it helps us out. Click on another video on the screen right over here. And we also have like a little, that's your Harry Potter scar. We also have a little store. So it's somewhere on the screen here. You just click it. Okay, there. Look at that kimchi goodness. Dinner is served.
All right, get your avocitos out, kids. Boys and girls, ladies and squirrels.
Avocado. You're gonna get an avocado pit from an avocado that you got at the grocery store and peel the pit. Then you're gonna use the cedo, put the pit in there and put it on the little avocado boat in the water, and then over time, you'll watch it grow. If you'd also like to get an avocado for the holidays, it's a great gift and family activity. It's pretty dirt cheap. Get it? Dirt cheap, because you can get yours using the link in the description below. For the best results, you're gonna want a fresh one, not a big old pruny one like this.
This is bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Whoa. Okay.
All right, so now I'm gonna peel this avocado. See, you can see I'm starting to peel it. Hopefully I'm peeling it right. All right, the avo is naked and it's ready to go in the cedo. I know you wanna see it naked. Insert avo in avocado. So we read the directions in more depth on the back, where you're going to place this in the water. If it's not floating evenly, which, I mean, that's looking pretty even. If it's not floating evenly, you just like twist this guy until it's even. Flags to write the date. You place that in the cedo. Okay. Float on into destiny. The direction said it could take up to a month or 3 months until it starts to germinate. So we're gonna have this puppy in this water. What? I wonder if we have to change the water. I don't know. We'll have to reach out to customer support to see if we have to change the water. But it could take 1 to 3 months. So stay tuned, subscribe, and see what happens to Simon.
Yahoo Forest, Yahoo Forest, Yahoo Forest, Yahoo Forest.